Okay, question 4, a transformation. So if we take the square root of x, the graph for this, okay, what's happening to it? Well, it looks like it's been reflected over the x-axis. So remember, we write a minus in front. It also looks like it's been moved 1 to the left. Well, remember, that is plus 1 inside the radical, okay, the left and right movement. It also looks like it's gone down 2. So I'm going to write minus 2, but that's outside the radical. Now take a look at this as well. If we go back to the original, it looks like the change in y is 1 and the change in x is 1 if I go to just this point here. But if we look at the transformation, the change in y is 2 as I've moved 1 along the x-axis. So that should mean it's stretched by a factor of 2, so it has a 2 in front. So that is the answer to the transformation. Okay, for this pair of functions, f minus g of 4, this just means put the 4 into both functions. Replace x with 4. So for f of x, 3 times 4 minus 4. That is 12, take away 4, it's 8. Okay? For g of x, okay, if I put x equals 4, so replace the x with 4, that's 4 squared minus 4. Okay? That is 16, take away 4, that is 12. Okay? So 8 subtract 12 equals negative 4. Please be careful, do not write this. I've seen this done before. People sometimes write, you've got 12 minus 4 from the f of x. You then subtract 16 minus 4. No, you don't. You do that. Okay? That is 12. So be careful of that, because I've seen some people just go 12, take away 4, take away 16, take away 4, and you're not going to get the correct answer. Okay? For one thing, that should be plus 4. Think about that. Okay? Right, let's take a look at another part here, part B. Okay, so f over g. f over g is simply this, 3x minus 4 over x squared minus 4. We're not asking you to do any long division. Okay, so the domain of this is like doing the first question of this particular function review. If we factor that, x squared plus 4, sorry, let's get rid of that. X squared minus 4 cannot be 0. X plus 2, x minus 2 cannot be 0. X cannot be 2, x cannot be negative 2. Therefore, in interval notation, negative infinity to negative 2, negative 2 to 2, and then 2 to infinity. Okay, that's the domain for part B. Okay, so composition of functions, this. Composition of functions. This does not mean, like this question, do not put 3 into the g and the f, okay? This is just this first. What is f of 3? Okay, so if I replace x with 3, okay, 3 times 3, take away 4, that's 9, take away 4, that is 5, okay? I now do g of 5, okay? So what's that? That is 5 squared, take away 4, that's 25, take away 4, that equals 21, and that is the final answer, okay? Right, let's take a look at this final part, D. Okay, what does this mean? This means I am going to take g of x and put it into the f of x. So here we go. F of x is 3x minus 4, but I'm going to replace the x with x squared minus 4. Just coincidence we have negative 4 both twice. So, distributive law, 3x squared minus 12 minus 4 is 3x squared minus 16, and that's your answer.